From the direct dam line of Grand Prix stallion Celano Z. Sire Denzel van Meulenhof was building up a legacy with outstanding offspring like Ipstar, Nixon van Meulenhof and I Denzel van het Meulenhof. Uline Bro is a sibling to the 140 level competing Karelian MS, and he represents a solid dam line. Grand Dam Feline II is a half-sister to the Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Celano Z, who performed with Jos Lansing, as well as the 150 level performers Avalon 224 and Condoleezza. From this direct part of Holstein dam line 6879 originate 150 and 160 level horses like Kronos 31 and Casio 32 as well.